Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video I'll show you how we have helped one of our clients to book over 100 appointments every single month. And these are not just a generic appointments, these are more of a warm leads. Each of these appointments, the leads came in, they are already pre-qualified, they already know. So I'll show you how the whole process works. So basically, the clients is running ads. This is a bit about the background of the clients. They are helping people to get loans, grants, and all sorts of this. So what happens, they have been running ads, so a lot of people actually interested to get loans. And they are spending a lot of time. First of all, they're struggling to call them on time, so a lot of time if they miss the leads day by a day too, a lot of time they just go cold, they don't receive calls, and it happens in the industry wise. And second thing is, a lot of people, a lot of time they're not qualified, but still they have to call and talk to them. So this also, in terms of the efficiency wise or the time wise, it actually wastes a lot of their times. So what happens, what we did for them is basically, we created some sort of automation. As soon as leads comes in, right, we get the AI to call these leads and actually explain the whole program, like, hey, this is me calling from the XYZ, and it sounds really realistic, like a human being. I would say 95% people can't even tell it's an AI, and even if they can tell, that's not an issue, because AI is there to just verify the information. So asking them, hey, what's your status, what's your income, like how many people live in, so how much you're looking for, all these questions. So by doing this, right, first of all, it saves a lot of time. Secondly, the list doesn't go cold because it's calling them right away. Within this automation, we do not only just call, we also send SMS, emails all together. So it's a 7-8 days follow-up until the lead says so. So that's the automation runs in. It's a long way, and depending on the scenario, AI will call them with different voice, different acts, like a different male, female. And then these are the conversation, right, where you can see this one was 4 minutes conversation where AI calling and then talking to them, asking them their status, income, family member, employment details. And then once they are confirming, and they are doing 10 a.m. book appointments. And those are the appointments is here. And obviously, when I'll show you the real scenario here. Look, this lead came in February 2nd, and then as soon as it came in, we send an SMS saying like, hey, we are going to give you a call from this number, and in between AI actually give the call. So that the results of the call is also here. You can this is a summary, this is the call. The first part is a summary, and then script, the whole transcriptions. So what happens is, when you are somebody, let's say I'm the one taking these appointments, I don't really need to go through the whole conversation, what happens, and because I already have some sort of summary of this person. Like I can already see, like, what's the situation and all this. This obviously, helps. And also this person, as soon as they book the AI book the appointments, and then they are receiving different emails. Now it's just appointment confirmation, like, hey, okay, yeah, we got this book. This basically saves a lot of times, right? To be honest, each of this conversation is at least 3 to 4 minutes, which you can see, like, 4 minutes, 3 minutes. So a lot of times, right, if you have a service, mostly you are repeating the same information. Because let's say if you are generating 10 leads, and then you are repeating the same, hey, okay, this is me calling, and then trying to see if this person is the right person for you to spend another, book a time, or or you might have someone helping you to do it. But think about in terms of the volume wise. So if you have a lot of volume coming in, probably it's not worth for you to have somebody in that case, because lots of volume, right? You need to have some sort of automation AI system that can handle this. So we do build this for clients, in different industry, real estate, lawyers, immigrations, home service businesses, people, companies that sells HVAC and all this. So you can imagine this can be implemented for any businesses that actually generating leads actively. Because if you are generating lots of leads, obviously, number one thing is to get back to them on time, and second thing is to spend time with all these leads and pre-qualify them. So that's two challenges comes in hand, and this is where we can help you. Obviously, we do also help your clients running ads. If you are looking for services like this, you talk to us, book a call with us, and then I would love to share how the whole process works. So again, looking forward to it. If you are interested to grow your business, generate leads, having booked appointments, if you have service going on, if you're already running ads and you're struggling with this, obviously this is something you can implement in your business. So looking forward to it. Thank you so much.